is the Liu View channel. My name is Martin, and I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish called tomato bok choy and meatball soup. And this dish is very popular in China. Its Chinese name called 西红柿牛肉丸汤。Sometimes they call 有时候他们叫川丸子。And so the main ingredient we need 1 leek bok choy and 4 red sliced tomatoes and 1 pound of the pound ground beef. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the tomato. Okay, we cut the bok choy. We cut the green part and we cut 2 pieces. The green part we cut it this long and put it here. And the white part we cut it short. That part we cut like this. Okay, watch the link. The link we have is the white part and the green part. The green part we will cut it different. We first make it. We cut the top of the dry part. We cut it like this. Okay, we cut it like this. Where the part we cut it? Cut it from the middle. Like this. Okay, we cut some ginger, probably 1 teaspoon ginger. This is 1 tablespoon. Okay, add 1. Add 2 tablespoons to the ginger. 2 tablespoons. And just leave it here. Okay, this is 1 pound of ground beef. Put it into a mixed bowl. This bowl. This is salt. We add, I think, 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Black pepper, and we add a pinch of black pepper to it. This is the soy sauce, and add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to it, not too much. This is a chicken soup based mixture, and add a pinch to it, not too much. And add 1 whole egg to the meat. This is the potato starch, and starch is okay. You can also use the cornstarch, any starch doesn't matter. We add 2 teaspoons of potato starch to the meat. And now we mix it. And mix it with one direction and until the meat. This is ginger, that water. We just added the soaked ginger water to the meat. When the meat is kind of separate, mixed like this, and then we don't use the chopstick, we use the hand to do it, to let the meat more tight. So we use the hand. Just rotate it. You kind of like we're making this. This meat makes the meatball. So you do this until the meat is very sticky and to each other. It's not easy to fall apart. This is, I think, is already okay. So we just make it hit it a little more longer, just to make the meat. Make the meat then become very chewable. The texture of the meat will change. It's okay. You just lay it here on the stove. High fire. When the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, we add the fish to it. It's that ginger, we added that ginger to it. When the ginger and leek release good smell, we added the tomato into it. This is certain spices. If you don't have certain spices, add 5 spices or just black pepper. Add a pinch of 60 spices. Okay, cover the lid until tomato becomes soft. Okay. Yeah, with the potato, with the tomato, the meat mostly becomes soft. Then we add 6 cups of water to it. Add 6 cups cold tap water to it. Put the lid on until it's boiling. When it's boiling, this is the salt. The salt. We add, I think, 1 teaspoon of salt. And you add it to it, you try it. And make sure that you can taste it, the salt. This is a soy sauce. We add any kind of soy sauce, okay. And add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to it. Okay. This is a chicken soup-based mixture. If you don't have this, and actually, when you add a water time, you don't add water. Add 6 cups of water. You just add 6 cups of chicken broth or beef broth to it. Add a pinch of chicken soup-based mixture. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's good. Now this is the meat. We grab a meat in our hand. Grab some meat in your hand. Like this, grab it. Then you squeeze it. Your hand squeeze it in the meat. Your spoon get it, put it into it, and squeeze it. Another one. Squeeze it. Third one. Sugar, another. Squeeze it. That's some piece of meat. Just get it from my hand, put it into it, get it all the meat from my hand. Small piece of meat, get off the hand. Okay, now add it to it. Now we just move it as the meat to be cooked. When it start boiling, those the bok choy, we add bok choy to it. We cover the lid and put this here and turn the fire to the medium fire, so let it slowly boiling. Slowly boiling for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we check to see the meat is cooked or not. When meat is cooking, we make a liquid starch. We add 1 I think the 1 tablespoon of potato starch. You can either use the cornstarch, any starch is okay. We add a 1/4 cup of water to it. Then mix it. Make a liquid starch for later use. Okay, it's all become liquid. Then we can use this for later use. Okay, after 15 minutes, we check the meatball. We get a meatball. All the meatball already flow up. Usually, when the meatball flow up, I think it'll be cooked. So right now, we just check it. We open to see the inside. There's no, see the inside. There's no pink. All the meat is cooked, so it's done. So that means when the meatball is cooked. Meatball is cooked. We add the leek leaves on the top. Add to it. And turn the fire to the high fire to cook the leek leaves. I just cook it for 10 seconds. We add the liquid starch to it. Slowly add it to it. Add it to a pot. Then mix it. When the soup thick up, we turn off the stove and put the soup to the pot. So this dish all done, and tomato bok choy meatball soup is done. Hope you guys like it.